Looking for an affordable, hassle-free way to stream your favorite shows and movies in 2025? Today, we're reviewing the Roku Streaming Stick HD 2025 model to help you decide if it's the best streaming device for your home. If you appreciate clear, honest tech reviews that save you money, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly practical product breakdowns. What is the Roku Streaming Stick HD 2025? The Roku Streaming Stick HD is an ultra-compact streaming device that plugs directly into your TV's HDMI port, giving you instant access to Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, and hundreds of free channels in crisp HD quality. Pros of the Roku Streaming Stick HD. Affordable price. At around $39, it's one of the most budget-friendly streaming devices, making it perfect for upgrading older TVs. Simple setup. Plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're ready to stream in under 5 minutes with Roku's intuitive interface. Portable streaming anywhere. Its small size allows you to take it on trips, plug into hotel TVs, or move it between rooms easily. Voice remote with TV controls. The included voice remote lets you search for shows, adjust volume, and power your TV without switching remotes. Roku's user-friendly OS. Roku's clean, ad-supported interface makes it easy to navigate apps without feeling cluttered. Access to free content. The Roku channel and hundreds of free streaming channels provide additional value without monthly costs. Cons of the Roku Streaming Stick HD. HD resolution only. It maxes out at 1080p, so if you have a 4K TV, you won't get the best picture quality available. Limited gaming capabilities. Not designed for gaming or heavy app use beyond streaming. Ad-supported interface. While user-friendly, Roku's home screen does display banner ads. No Ethernet port. Wi-Fi only, so if your Wi-Fi is weak, you may face occasional buffering. Who should buy the Roku Streaming Stick HD 2025? If you want an affordable, reliable streaming upgrade for an older TV or a secondary TV in your bedroom or guest room, the Roku Streaming Stick HD is a strong choice. It's also ideal if you travel frequently and want a portable streaming option with a familiar interface. If you have a 4K TV and want Dolby Vision support, consider the Roku Streaming Stick 4K or Roku Ultra for enhanced performance. Question for you: what's your favorite platform to stream movies on? Netflix, Disney+, or something else? Comment below. Affiliate link to check pricing. Purchasing through this link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and helps us continue making clear, honest reviews for your tech needs. If this review helped, like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell for weekly simple tech reviews and streaming device comparisons to help you buy confidently. Thanks for watching and happy streaming!